Lesson 5. How to use MS Windows. In this lesson, 1. Operating system. 2. Components of desktop. 3. The taskbar and its components. 4. The advantage of window. 5. Select, deselect, sort and hide icons. 6. Window accessories. Calculator. Introduction. A good and efficient house owner manages all the affairs at home efficiently and effectively. The parents act as managers of the home affairs. Similarly, a computer which is made of numerous parts does many tasks at a time. So, it needs a manager, which is called the operating system of the computer. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. Operating system works as a middleman between the computer parts and between the user and computer. Remember, operating system acts as the manager of the computer. Given below are some of the very popular operating systems. 1. Unix. 2. MS-DOS. 3rd. Mac OS. 4th. MS Windows. Do you know? There were no operating system in early computers. Operating system came into the computer field later, but they were accepted very quickly. Useful tips. The keyboard should be near the height of your elbows and the mouse or trackball should be right next to the keyboard. MS Windows. In the following pages, you will learn about the MS Windows operating system. It is the most popular software in the world today. Microsoft Corporation USA made this user-friendly system. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. While your computer is booting, you see a picture of Windows flag as shown. MS Windows system is widely used by the people because of the following reasons. Programs are arranged in different folders and files. It is graphic based, so you do not have to remember all the commands as in some other operating systems. It has icons which help to do different things quickly. It is very easy to use. Inspiration. William Henry Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. The first version of Windows operating system was developed in 1983. Desktop of Windows. Windows 7 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. As soon as the process of booting is completed, a picture is seen. This is known as desktop. In case of Windows 7, the desktop consists of these components: desktop background, icons, taskbar and gadgets. Now we will learn about each component in detail. Background of the desktop. The background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called desktop background. You see different desktop backgrounds on different computers according to their settings. Do you know? The desktop background on your computer can be set or changed according to your choice. Icons. An icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, file, or folder. For example, you see the computer icon and the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Practice time. Click on the recycle bin icon and see what happens. Selecting, deselecting an icon. The following steps are carried out while selecting an icon. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer over any icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button once. When icon is selected, the color of the icon is changed. Following steps are taken up while deselecting an icon. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Step 4. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes back to its original color, indicating that icon is deselected. How to open or start an application using icons. When an icon is double-clicked, an application or program is started. Practice time. Select and deselect recycle bin icon. Instructions. Step 1. Single click on recycle bin icon on the desktop to select it. Step 2. Click anywhere on desktop away from the selected icon to deselect recycle bin icon. Sorting icons. If you want to sort out the icon, you have to arrange the icons on the desktop. The following steps are taken while sorting the icon. Step 1. Right-click at any blank area of desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Click Sort by option. Step 2. Click the choices given in the menu to arrange the icons in that order. Remember, to arrange the icons itself, right-click on the desktop. Click View. Click Auto Arrange Icons. How to hide desktop icons. In case you want to hide all the icons on the desktop, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click at any blank area of desktop. Click View option from the pop-up menu. Step 2. From the sub-menu, click the Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. You see all the icons on the desktop become invisible. When all icons on the desktop become invisible, the desktop icons can be brought back by clicking the Show Desktop Icons option in the pop-up menu. Taskbar. It is a long bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has a Start button, Quick Launch bar, System tray, and Show Desktop button. It also shows icons for the currently opened or running programs. Quick Launch bar. This launches an application quickly. You can open the respective application by single clicking on its icon on the Quick Launch bar. System tray. This displays the current date and time. Show Desktop button. This button minimizes all the open programs and display the desktop. Practice time. 1. Click the icons on Quick Launch bar and observe what happens. 2. Click on the clock on the system tray. What do you observe? 3. Now click on Show Desktop button. Start button. Start button is used to do many activities. When you left click on the start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is called the start menu. The various options on the start menu are as following. All programs. It opens a list of programs immediately. It is also a shortcut to open a program. A. Click the start button and then B. Click all programs. A list appears with many options. You can click the program you want to open. You can go back to the start menu by clicking the back option. Shut down. The shutdown option in the start menu of Windows closes all open programs and completely switches off the computer. To do this shutdown, just click the start button and click shutdown. Search program and files. To search or find things in the computer, we use search program and files. To find a saved file, we have to step 1. Click start button. Step 2. Type the name of the file you want to search in the search box. You see a list of all the programs, files, pictures, etc. with a similar name. Step 3. Click the required file to open it. Help and support. Various help topics related to the Windows are found in this option. Do you know? The Start menu contains an option known as sticky notes to create short text notes. It is just as we write a note on a paper as a reminder for ourselves. If you do not find this in the Start menu, click Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories, then Sticky Notes. How to change the position of taskbar? You can change the position of the taskbar and place it at any one of the 4 sides of the screen. The following steps are followed. Step 1. Right click on the taskbar and uncheck the lock the taskbar option by clicking on it. Step 2. Now drag the taskbar to any side of the screen to change its position. Gadgets. Gadgets are a mini program that provide information at a glance and easy access to frequently used tools. For example, a game, picture slideshow, free headlines, clock and calendar. Windows 7 desktop displays gadgets on the right side of the screen. You can add or remove the gadgets on your desktop according to your choice. Practice time. Add the gadget's currency and free headlines on your desktop. 1. Right click on the desktop. 2. Select gadget from the gallery. 3. Double click on the gadget of your choice. Shortcut buttons in a window. At the upper right corner of an open window, you can notice some buttons. These buttons are Minimize button. The window shrinks to the taskbar when this button is clicked. Maximize button. It increases the size of the window to its maximum. Restore down button. When you maximize a window, the maximize button looks like this. Restore down resizes the window back to its original size. Close button. It closes a window when clicked. Windows 7 accessories. In previous classes, you have used two of the window accessories, Paint and WordPad. Let us now learn to use Windows 7 calculator. Calculator. You must have used a calculator by now. It is used to do calculation. You can solve sums on it. Windows 7 also has a calculator to carry out simple arithmetical calculation. To solve sums using Windows 7 calculator, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs. Step 3. From the sub-menu, click on Accessories. Step 4. Now click on Calculator. The Windows 7 calculator is displayed. You see buttons for digits 0 to 9 and add, subtract, multiply, divide and equal to do calculations. For example, to solve 7 plus 1, click 7, then click plus, then click 1, click equal to get the result. Practice time. Find the value of first 42 plus 58 and second 120 minus 80. Guidelines. 42 plus 58. 1. Click on 4 and 2 button. You see 42 is displayed. 2. Click on plus button. 3. Click on 5 and 8 button. You see 58 is displayed. 4. Click on equal button to see the result. 120 minus 80. 1. Click on 1, 2 and 0 buttons. You see 120 is displayed. 2. Click on minus button. 3. Click on 8 and 0 buttons. You see 80 is displayed. 4. Click on equal button to see the result. Quick recap. An operating system is a software that enables us to operate the computer system through its various functions. An operating system acts as an interface between you and the computer hardware. Windows operating system is one of the most popular software in the world. Windows 7 desktop contains icons, taskbar, desktop background and gadgets. Taskbar contains Start button, Quick Launch bar, System tray and Show Desktop button. Words to remember. Desktop opening screen of Windows 7 after booting is complete. Pop-up menu. Menu obtained on right-clicking any area on the desktop.